In this video, we show you how to mount the BOS Upper Protection Bars Pro on the BMW R1300 GS. This is the BOS Upper Protection Bars Pro, black-coated. In the box, you will find several parts that you need to mount the upper protection bars. We begin by removing the wind deflectors next to the handlebars on both sides. To do this, loosen the two screws. Underneath the front beak or fender, there are two plastic rivets. Pull out the center pins to release them. Then carefully pull the cover towards you to detach it. Repeat this on both sides. Once all clips are released, the entire beak can be removed. Next, loosen these three screws on both sides. Now you can position the mounting frame bracket. Do this carefully. Place the wide washer in the recess where the screw was previously installed and slide the bracket over it. Repeat this step on both sides of the motorcycle. Install 3 bolts on each side. For the next step, we need new parts. We'll replace the upper bolts of the BOS Engine Protection Bars Pro. Unscrew the upper bolts on both sides. Start by attaching the upper protection bars at the bottom to the top mounting hole of the engine protection bars. Use the new, longer bolts for this. Then, fasten the upper protection bars at the top to the mounting frame bracket. Carefully snap the cover back into place. Push the 2 plastic rivets back in and reinstall the wind deflectors. This is how you mount the BOS Upper Protection Bars Pro. Enjoy the ride.